Hello everyone and welcome. If your Windows search bar is not working, anytime you try searching for something or you want to type in something and when you type anything, it is not working on the search bar, don't worry, I got you covered on this video. So without further delay, let's get started. Our first step for us to solve this issue of search bar not working or when typing is to restart our File Explorer. So to restart the File Explorer, what you just have to do is that whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, just right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. Once your Task Manager opens, just go to the processes. Just as you can see here, so I have my processes here. So if it is Windows 10, the view is going to be different, but you are still going to have the same processes. On these processes, just look through and then find File Explorer. So scroll to the down and then you can see we have File Explorer here. So what you just need to do is that we have to restart it. So right click on it and click on Restart. You can see our screen just blinked and it is going to restart our File Explorer. Once it's been restarted, try your search bar and type in to see whether if it works or not. If it's still not working, what you just need to do is that once again click your start. That is if your search bar is working. So just click your start and search for services. And then you can see we have services here. But if the search is still not working and you can't type anything, what you just have to do is that on your keyboard, press Windows key plus R to give you this run box. On the run box, type in services.msc and then click on OK. So we have our services here. So just as I said, now in here on the under the services, just type T on your keyboard to take you to the T column. Under the T column, we have this here, Text Input Management. But if you are using Windows 10, you still type the T, it will take you to this column and you see something like Touch Keyboard and Handwriting Panel. So right click on it and then just go to Properties. Under your properties, you still have these same tabs. Now go to the recovery. For Windows 11, it's already active, so it is not going to work here. But in Windows 10, what you just come to the recovery and then in here, we have these subsequent failures. So just click on this and then restart services. Once you select the restart services and the result fail count after this, so just clear this one and turn it to 0. So once you do that, go back to the general and on this startup app, click on it and then select automatic. Once you select automatic, you just go to apply. So that is Windows 10. So once you do this, just click on OK. Now the next thing for us to do is to search for Windows search. So once again, under the services on your keyboard, type in W to take you to W column. Then you look for Windows search. Right, we have Windows search here. So what you just have to do is that right click on it and then click on restart. And once it restarts, definitely your search bar is going to start working once again. So that is just how easy and simple it is to fix your search bar not working, or when you type anything on it, it doesn't respond. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.